It's laundry day at Omega Mart. Save on name brands like Omega Point, now just $6.99. Plausible deniability, only $5.87. And done. No time for it? You're done. Just 2 for $10 or 3 for $7 when you spend $20 or more with a valid coupon. Limited to 1 coupon per customer. Price is good through December 12th. See in store for details. That's Omega Savings. That's Omega Mart.
Omega Mart, you have no idea what's in store for you.
This is an important message for customers who have recently purchased Omega Mart lemons. Some customers have confused Omega Mart lemons with lemons. For that, we're sorry. Please return this product to Omega Mart immediately, or for assistance, please call the number on your screen. For your safety, this product has been removed from our shelves and will be carefully disposed of. Omega Mart thanks you for your continued trust.
Omega Mart, you have no idea what's in store for you.
This Halloween, give them what they really want. Nut-free salted peanuts. Now only $5.99 a gram. Wake Up cleaning spray, now in fun size. This week, just $12.99 a bag. Plus, get Glorbox for just $10.99. Now you're sure to be the favorite house in the world.
Omega.
General audience, imagine a thing. The thing is the result of a fantasy. Announcement for year 20. It is Meow Wolf plus cruise, plus art, plus experience. A boat of supreme quality and float. Please experience a purchase for the building that swims. We have every cuisines, tiny towels to delight, and the nightlife forever. Let your hairs down. Join a club where bananas are dolphins in drinks. Enjoy bacteria with friends. Everything is all included.